our 18-inch sink with right drain board and faucet. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 38.5 inches, a depth of 23.5 inches, height of 43 inches, and minus a splash, we have a height of 36 inches tall. Right drain board, measuring 16 inches in length by 19 inches in depth. One compartment sink, measuring 18 inches in length, also 18 inches by depth, and 12 inches in height. Included will be the sink strainer and stop, along with the faucet. Left and right mount for the faucet will include 9 inches, and the swivel head spout measuring 8 inches. Coming to the top left corner will be the NSF certification sticker. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product. Thank you.